the 22nd person I met. I wonder how I meet all the interesting people majorly at the traffic signals. Well, I should say I have a good chemistry with traffic signals, basically because the traffic signal would be green, and the moment I go very close to it, and when I'm about to cross the signal, it turns red. That's how it usually. And I meet with a lot of traffic signals, and there are times when I have to wait 3 times in the same traffic signal just because it has saved a lot of traffic, enough to wait for me at least thrice. So in the academy that I work with, when I go to that particular place, there are more than around 7 to 8 traffic signals, and every time I have to wait for the signal to turn green and then move. Okay, so there's this one traffic signal which is quite close to my academy, and there's this one interesting person that I meet with this traffic signal. There's this old man who sits by the platform of this traffic signal, and he always keeps chanting something. Okay, since he keeps chanting something and it with a louder voice, I don't really prefer going close to him. So I always, even if there is a space right next to him, I prefer not to go there. I just stay by my side, safe and sound. But one day there was this empty space right in front of him. I don't know why, I was a little too curious to look closer, so I went and parked my bike quite a little closer to him, and I had a proper glance at him. He was wearing a white dhoti, a white shirt which was mostly dirty, and he had a black color bag. Every day he didn't move a bit from his place, and he keeps chanting this one verse in Tamil which says Dharmam Thalai Kaakum, which translates to charity will save you. Okay, so this man keeps chanting, but he doesn't really ask for anything. He just sits there, keeps chanting. He starts chanting when the traffic signal light turns red, and he stops chanting when the signal turns green. That's how it always is. And now I developed this curiosity, so I looked at him every time I go to the signal, and it's always the same. No change in his place, no change in his dress, and he always has a black bag, and he keeps chanting the same dialogue. Now I wonder how he gets food, how is there anything he does for a day or anything, but I didn't find any answer for that, and I really didn't make an effort to find out anything as well. And then all of a sudden, one day I see him in the same place, but then I see him wear a brand new shirt and a brand new dhoti, completely white pure. Now I have this question: who would have gifted him this dhoti, or did he buy that himself? If he bought it himself, then why did he still come back to the same place, and why is he chanting the same thing? Is there a purpose behind it? And now I was trying to find all the reasons, but I couldn't find the reason. And that was the last day that I went to the academy before this 5-day break that I had. So I had this 5-day vacation break, and then after 5 days, this time I was very, very cautious to notice this old man, to see what he was actually wearing, and was he able to maintain his dress neat, did he move from his place, and all of that, with all of these questions. But then this time when I reached the signal, I couldn't find him. I tried looking for him here and there, but I couldn't find him at all. I was wondering what happened, but I didn't really take an effort to do anything about him. I didn't help him, I didn't try to find out where he was from. So I thought there's no point of me trying to figure out where he was. And then I thought the story would end just here, but then it doesn't. Fast forward 365 days later, I had a meeting for which I had to travel by the same route. I totally forgot about this old man. I went to the meeting spot, I had this meeting, and I should say this was the shortest meeting I've ever had. Just 10 minutes and the meeting got over. And I was coming back from this place, and I was thinking how quickly I finished my meeting. And then I come to this signal, I totally forget about this old man, but then there I was standing in the signal. I see this old man here, but there was a little bit of difference. He was shirtless, and he kept chanting, and he said, Dharmam Thalai Kaakum, Adalal Dharmam Kodu, which translates to charity saves you, so please give alms. 365 days before, I saw the same man, but that man never asked for any help, never asked for any alms or any support. And now I see this old man, the same place, black color bag but shirtless, and now he has his hand forward asking for alms. The lady in front of me gets down of the bike to give him some money, and here I am waiting for the red signal to turn green, looking about, thinking about the change that time does to people. This is the 22nd person I met.